In this video, I want to share with you some design ideas for the trending Hawk Tuah niche. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those design ideas for the Hawk Tuah niche, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is right now Friday, June 21st, 5:09 p.m. Kind of another slow day, only 19 sales, $22 in royalties. Yesterday was brutal. Check this out, guys. 32 sales, but 25 returns. I had like $40 in returns. Only ended up doing $15. But I was just on Philip Anders' live on his YouTube channel, and he said he got 30 returns yesterday. So I don't know if there was something going on yesterday with the returns. But yeah, brutal day. Today, not that much better, but I'm not going to beat myself up too much about it. You know, there's no crying in merch. Just got to keep moving, put my head down, and keep trucking. But that's going to put me at 1,105 sales for the month and about $1,538. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So I made this video today talking about the Hawk Tuah niche. If you want more information about it, you can watch this video. I talk about why it is trending and talk about if it is safe or not. But this niche is just getting a lot of traffic. It's kind of like taking over the internet. It's all over merch and social media. And so what I want to do is I want to talk about some design ideas that you can get into if you are deciding to get into this niche. Now, me personally, I've decided to just pass on this niche just because I think there's just so many other niches to kind of get into. I'm not that much of a big fan of these trending niches anyways, but I know a lot of people do. So if I were to get into this niche, this is how I would attack it. All right, and I just got my notes right here. If you see me looking down, that's basically what I'm doing. But the first way is to take the Hawk Tuah niche and cross niche it with animals. So you want to think of like some type of animals that spit, because that's what the niche is kind of about. She says Hawk Tuah, spit on that thing. So the first animal that comes to mind right away is the llama or the alpaca. All right, so let's just go to Merch Informer and do Hawk Tuah llama, kind of get some ideas. So kind of maybe something like this. This looks kind of like AI, something like this. Now these don't have any BSRs yet, I don't think, but it's still kind of early. I think this is a pretty funny one right here. But kind of something like this, taking Hawk Tuah and cross niching with an animal that spits. Now there's other animals that spit. You have the alpaca, which is similar to a llama, but you also have like camels. I think horses spit. You also have like cobra snakes, and then just, you know, the popular animals that work with basically almost any niche is just dogs and cats. If we go to what's it called, Flying Research, and I just go to, let me just get my face out the way here, and if we go to seller trends and we just type in Hawk Tuah, I think I might be able to give you an idea. Why does that want to work? Hawk Tuah. Let me take a quick sip of coffee because I saw another one where it was actually two animals. I think it was like a goose and yeah, so kind of something like this. You see right here, they have, it looks like a goose and a raccoon, and they're like singing. So that's an example right there of how you can take the Hawk Tuah niche and cross niche with an animal. All right, now the second way that you can cross niches is taking Hawk Tuah and cross niche it with an upcoming holiday. So what's the biggest upcoming holiday that we have? It is 4th of July. Now, I wasn't really able to think of like a good saying, but let me just kind of show you what I'm kind of like referring to. So what I would do is I would go to Find Research and type in 4th of July. Basically, what I want to do is I just want to see what are some, you know, trending 4th of July niches. I want to see like if I can cross niche the two. So let's see what we got here. So the first thing that comes to my mind is the hot dog, because that's what she's, well, she's not talking about a hot dog, but if you get what I'm talking about, she's talking about a hot dog in the interview. So, you know, maybe like I'm just here for the hot dogs, and just, you know, you maybe cross niche basically Hawk Tuah, spit on that thing with a 4th of July hot dog. Here we can see somebody's already doing it. So Hawk Tuah set off that bang. So they're cross niching Hawk Tuah with fireworks. You just want to think of like some 4th of July niches, you know, like fireworks, apple pie, hot dogs, the American flag. Ooh, I got a sale. Let's see if we can find some other good examples. I think I saw some down here. Did I write one down? Oh yeah. So right to spit on that thing. I'm just thinking kind of out loud right now. So right here. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. You can make a design like this with the hot dog, but instead of saying just here for the wieners, you just say, you know, hak Tuah, spit on that thing, basically, with the hot dog. So it's kind of like cross-niching 4th of July with the hak Tuah niche. Let's see if we can find another idea right here. I think I saw one where it said All-American Girl. Okay, well, I can't find it, but before I was recording, I saw one. But basically, it was like All-American Girl, so you can do All-American hak Tuah Girl. Let's see what else we have here. So right here, All-American. So right here, you do All-American hak Tuah Girl with like sunglasses. So basically, what I'm trying to explain to you here is you just take hak Tuah and you cross niche it with the 4th of July niche. Maybe something kind of like this, where you put hak Tuah on the top and then spit on that thing on the bottom. But I think you get the idea, taking hak Tuah and cross niche it with any upcoming holiday. The biggest one right now is 4th of July. Now, after that, there's not really any big holidays because we got June, July, we got August and September. There's not really any big holidays in those months. The next one would be Halloween, all right? But I don't know if this niche will be around by then. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But that would be another maybe opportunity for this niche if this trend continues. Right now, it seems to be pretty darn popular. Now let's go ahead and take a look at another way that you can cross niche this, the hak Tuah niche, and it is with the elections. All right, so we just want to go back here, see if we can get some ideas. Now, the main one, which you probably already know about, is the one where it says hak Tuah 2024, like that's who they're voting for. Now, there's already a million of those, so we don't want, like this right here, we don't really want to do that, because if you just make another one of these, you know, you're not really adding any value to the marketplace. There's already a million of them. But one thing that I was thinking about is taking this, these very popular Trump shirts. So like, I'm voting for the convicted felon. So take that, instead of saying I'm voting for the convicted felon, you say I'm voting for the hak Tuah girl. All right, that just came to my mind. Maybe it will hit, maybe it won't. But that's another option, or another idea, is to take the hak Tuah niche and cross niche it with elections. That's one right there. Maybe with Trump, if you like doing Trump shirts, maybe you can think of something, cross niche hak Tuah with Trump. And then another one, and I won't really get too much into this because last time I recommended like an LGBT niche, I got like destroyed in the comments. I guess a lot of my subscribers don't like me talking about that. But that's another one because, you know, I believe right now is Gay Pride Month. So if you could take hak Tuah and cross niche it with, you know, LGBT, that could be another option. And then the last one, which I think is actually really good, is just taking popular phrases. All right, so there's popular phrases that we know that have sold well, very well on Merch by Amazon over the years. So just to throw a few out there that I have written down. So eat, sleep, hak Tuah, repeat. Eat, sleep, spit on that thing, repeat. Just a girl that likes to spit on that thing. Just a boy who likes hak Tuah girls. I did the math. The answer is hak Tuah. You had me at hak Tuah. So just go through like your portfolio of phrases that, you know, works well for your type of designs, and see what kind of phrases that come to your mind. Those are just some ones that came to mind. You know, the eat, sleep, repeat niche, we've seen that do very well. You know, just a girl or just a boy, those ones have also done well. There's so many of them, but those are just the ones that came to my mind off the top of my head. But those are, what was it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways that you could design for the hak Tuah niche, and not just do like another one of these hak Tuah 2024 designs. So just to recap, hak Tuah cross niche with animals, especially ones that spit, like llamas, alpacas, camels, horses, cobra snakes, things like that. Then we're going to have hak Tuah cross niche with 4th of July, especially like hot dogs. I think that could work well. Hak Tuah with elections, but more like with Trump, you know, I'm voting for the hak Tuah girl. Maybe that could work. Hak Tuah cross niche with gay pride, and then hak Tuah cross niche with popular phrases, eat, sleep, repeat, just a boy, just a girl, the ones that I talked about. All right, so those are the ways that I would attack this niche. Now, I don't think I mentioned it, but I mentioned it in my video here. I'm not getting into this niche just because, I guess, actually I did think I talked about it, yeah. So I'm not getting into this niche because I just want to focus on other niches and other projects right now. But that's my 2 cents on that. And now I just want to share with you a couple resources on how I'm able to get sales like this on a daily basis. I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but for the most part, I usually do pretty good, like $80, $62, $70, $82, $63, $53, only $15, and today sitting at 23. Last month I did almost $3,000, $2,800 or $2,900. But I'm now offering memberships on my YouTube channel. So if you just click this join button right here, you can watch this video to get more information. 3 tiers. Bronze is just to support the free content. The real value is going to be in the silver and the gold members. The silver and the gold tiers. So silver gets you 4 members only videos a month, or 1 a week. Comes out on Monday morning, 6 a.m. Central Time, and those videos are about 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches that also come with prompts for ideogram. You also get my daily market updates on my YouTube channel, so I make a post every day about a trending niche, talk about why it's trending. I give you a prompt for that trending niche. I even give you keywords. So the silver is just going to get you a lot of evergreen niches and a lot of trending niches, and then the gold is going to get you everything in the silver, but it's also going to get you a Word file at the beginning of each month for 100 prompts for niches that will be trending the following month. So today is the June 21st. So if you become a gold member today, at the beginning of next month, you would get a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that would be trending in August, basically just to give you enough time to get ready for those niches. So that's what the gold gets you. The silver, it's only $7. The gold is only $10. I live in Mexico, so that's why it says Mexican pesos right here. You can just click join right here. And if this join button is not available in your country, you can click on the description in any one of my videos and click on Patreon. I offer the exact same thing for the exact same price on my Patreon channel or page. And then I have a members beginners course for Merch by Amazon. So if you're stuck in tier 10, making less than $100 a month, I would highly recommend you check out my Merch by Amazon course. I'm going to teach you everything that I've learned since I've been on Merch by Amazon over the past 7 years. You see I'm a tier 10,000 seller, and my all-time stats are, what was that, 22,000 sales and almost $60,000 in royalties. So the link for that is in the description. And if you want some freebies, you can just click on my name, and I have free prompts right here. I also have paid prompts as well. Check out some of my other courses for Etsy, Redbubble. But right here are the recent ones. It's like 50 4th of July prompts for only $5, or you can get 5 free 4th of July prompts for nothing. But I have just a lot of paid prompts and free prompts, whether it's camping, whether it's glamping, whether it's the lake, whether it's the barbecue niche, whether it's back to school. This is one of my best sellers right here, 75 back to school prompts. And I also have 5 free back to school prompts, so you can take a look at that. The link is in the description. Just click on my name right here. That's how you get to that page. That's going to be it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about those design ideas for the Hawk Tuah niche, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Comment, like, and subscribe. Adios.